Bonjour! Today I will show you how to make the letter U from the Steven Universe logo title in Procreate. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create the 3D effect using only solid colors and how to create those big circles that are on both your letter and your background. All the resources I'm going to use, like this color palette and this lettering, are available for free in the description just below this video. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the following canvas settings. First, we will set the color of your background. Go to your Layers panel, select the background color layer and select this light beige color from the color palette. Now import the letter U that you can download below this video. Tap the color button. Drop this bright orange color from the color palette on the outline of the letter, then hold your Apple Pencil on your screen. Color drop threshold appears at the top of your screen. Slide to the right to ensure color drop completely fill your letter. Now let's create the front part of your layer. Tap and hold with 2 fingers on your layer to select your letter shape. Tap Invert. Create a new layer and put it below your letter layer. Select this yellow color from the color palette, then drop it inside your letter. Now let's create the silhouette of your letter to create the outline of your 3D letter. Duplicate your letter layer and put it at the bottom. Tap the transformation tool icon and move it to the bottom right. Hide this layer and put it at the bottom. Merge those two layers by tapping the first one, then tap Merge Down. Go to your brush library, Calligraphy brush set, and select the monoline brush. Then use your brush to connect the 3 edges between the 2 letters. To do this, draw a line and hold. Lift off your Apple Pencil, then Edit Shape appears at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Then now 2 blue nodes are in the ends of your line. Move them to put your line perfectly. Tap and hold the erase icon to use the same monoline brush. Then erase everything inside your letter to create the silhouette. You can unhide the yellow letter. Now let's create the purple sides inside your letter. Duplicate the silhouette layer and put it at the bottom of your layers panel. Tap the color button and drop the same orange color inside your letter. Create a new layer above. Tap on it and tap Clipping Mask. Go to the Actions menu, Canvas, enable Drawing Guide, then tap Edit Drawing Guide. Use the green node to rotate the drawing guide to the same angle as this line at the top of the letter. And use the blue node to move the drawing guide to the exact position of this line. Tap Done at the top right. Tap the selection tool icon. Put it in freehand mode with color fill enabled. Tap the color button and select this purple color from the color palette. Then create this shape with the selection tool. Go back to the edit mode of the drawing guide. Move the blue node so that the drawing guide passes through the star's corner. Draw a line with the selection tool by just tapping on your canvas. We are going to follow the same process above with those two corners. You can hide the drawing guide. Now let's add the two big circles that go through the letter and the background. Create a new layer above the yellow letter. Tap on it, then tap Clipping Mask. Tap the color button and select this beige color from the color palette. Tap the selection tool icon. Disable color fill and put it in ellipse mode. Pitch in your screen to reduce the size of your canvas. Hold a finger on your screen to create a perfect circle. Then bring back color fill. Create a new layer below. Tap the color button and select this green color. Then repeat the same process at the bottom right of your canvas. Duplicate those two layers. Put the duplicated ones at the bottom of your layers panel. Tap the letter N next to your layers and put the multiply blend mode. Slide to the right to select the two layers that create your circle. Then move it to see where it fits the best. For the finishing touches, create a new layer on top, tap the Actions menu, Add, copy canvas, then paste, go to the Adjustments menu, tap Chromatic Aberration, slide to adjust to 7%, go to the Adjustments menu again, tap Halftone, slide to adjust to 7%, go back to the Adjustments menu one last time, tap Noise, and slide to adjust to 7%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. I'd like also to take this opportunity to tell you that if you want to get weekly tutorials, lettering brushes and color palettes directly to your inbox for free, you can join my newsletter thanks to the link available in the description. So until the next one, bonsoir!